Hey, what's up, entrepreneurs? Today I'm diving into one of the hottest topics of 2025, making money fast with AI. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, so first things first. AI isn't just some futuristic buzzword anymore. It's here, it's now, and it's reshaping how we do business. So, how can you catch this wave and turn it into cash? Let's break it down. Number one, got an online store or thinking of starting one? Use AI tools to analyze market trends and predict hot selling items. AI can even automate your customer service with chatbots. Imagine having a 24/7 employee who never takes a break. That's right, pure money-making magic. Next up, if you're a freelancer, AI can supercharge your workflow. Tools like Jasper or Copy.ai can generate content in minutes, letting you take on more clients and more projects. More projects mean more money, and who doesn't like that? Moving on. Okay, this one's a bit risky, but hear me out. AI-powered trading bots can analyze tons of data and make trades faster than any human. Some people are making serious cash by letting these bots trade for them, but remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Do your homework before diving in. And don't forget about, if you're into social media or running a blog, AI can create eye-catching graphics, edit videos, and even write posts for you. Tools like Lumen 5 and Canva are total game changers. This saves you time, so you can focus on growing your audience and your bank account. Lastly, you don't need to be a coding genius to create useful apps anymore. With AI, you can develop and launch apps that solve everyday problems. Think about it. An app that uses AI to improve productivity or health could be a goldmine. And there are platforms like Bubble that make it super easy. So, what's the takeaway here? AI is not just a tool, it's your new business partner. Embrace it, innovate with it, and watch your income grow. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. And hey, drop a comment below on how you're planning to use AI to boost your business. Let's get this conversation started. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling and keep innovating.